to the soul. The eyes throughout the world speak the same language. These eyes make us see the world the way we want to. The beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. These eyes are so very important to us, I cannot emphasize it enough. Yet, so many of us suffer from irritation, dryness, redness, short and long sightedness, and many age related issues. But, people, guess what? Do you know food can help us make eyes brighter, sharper, and even more beautiful? Before we find that out, please do remember to like and hit the bell icon. Your likes and comments motivate us for sure. Now let's hear Dr. Mansi enlighten us.
Hi everyone, thank you Trisha for having me over. And as you rightly said, there cannot be anything more precious than our eyes. It's the eyes that make us see this beautiful world and all the beautiful people around us. And we must protect them, we must keep them healthy and safe. So today we are definitely going to discuss the foods and the minerals and the vitamins that can keep our eyes healthy. Additionally, today we are also going to discuss 3 home remedies which can make my eyes healthier and my vision stronger. And finally, I am going to discuss a small tip with you that can make you immortal. Yes, you heard me right. I am going to discuss a very small tip that will make you immortal. आप हमेशा के लिए जिंदा रहने वाले हैं अगर आप मेरी ये छोटी सी टिप सुन लें. सो अगर अमर बनना है तो इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखिए. In the first segment, let's discuss food for eyes. Now, there are certain food products that can keep my eyes healthy overall, and then there are certain foods that can reduce the risk of eye diseases. Just like my heart has arteries which carry nutrition and oxygen to the heart to make it healthy and stronger, similarly, my eyes also have arteries. They are very thin arteries which carry nutrition and oxygen to the eyes, which make it healthier, stronger, and the vision better. Now, this nutrition is what we are going to talk about today. There are majorly 5 kinds of vitamins and minerals which can actually help my eyes to a very large extent. Which are these? These are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein and zeaxanthin, and finally zinc. So I am going to share now the food products which if we incorporate in our daily lives, we can get enough doses of these vitamins, and this will keep not only my eyes healthier but also can keep my vision stronger. And things like redness of the eyes, irritation, dryness, short-sightedness, long-sightedness, दूर का ना दिखना, पास का ना दिखना, हमेशा आईज में इचिंग होना या ड्राइनेस हो जाना आईज का, हम ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को काफ़ी हद तक प्रिवेंट कर पाएंगे. The first nutrient for eye health is vitamin A. When retina converts light rays into images, it's vitamin A which plays a very huge role in it. So basically vitamin A की हेल्प से retina जो है light की rays को images में convert कर पाता है eye के अंदर. That is why vitamin A is so crucial. Also vitamin A keeps my eyes moist, so dry eye का problem भी दूर होता है. So what are the food products rich in vitamin A? Of course carrots. Carrots have a lot of vitamin A, so we must have lots of them. But then there is one food product which has 200 times my daily recommended dose of vitamin A, and that is sweet potato, शक्करकंदी. मौसम भी है शक्करकंदी का, so शक्करकंदी हमें खूब खाएं. Other than shakkarkandi, there are lots of other things as well. Papaya, turnip greens, spinach, apricots, cantaloupe. All these things are very rich in vitamin A. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is critical to my eye health. Critical. Not only it's an antioxidant, but it's a huge immunity booster. Now, because of wrong lifestyles, being overweight, smoking, eating food products like fried or too much sweets or pollution, sun, all these things cause a lot of damage inside. There's a lot of free radicals and molecules which are produced which kill my good cells. Now, vitamin C acts as a barrier, as a protector, and not only does it save my good cells but also helps to repair, regenerate them, that means regrow my cells. So that means it's like one big protection I can provide to my eyes. Food products rich in vitamin C: oranges, lemons, strawberries, tomatoes, bell peppers, red, yellow, both. So have loads and loads of these things. Now the antioxidants you are getting out of these are not only protecting your eyes but also may prevent or at least delay the age related degeneration of the eye and also cataracts. तो रूटीन बना लें, नींबू पानी पीना ही है, टमेटो सैलड्स में खाना ही है, बेल पेपर्स खूब खाने हैं. इफ़ यू डू दैट वी आर डन फॉर द डे. आपको अपना विटामिन सी का डोज मिल गया और एज रिलेटेड डिजीजेस भी आए के दूर रहे, इम्यूनिटी भी स्ट्रांग रही, एंड वी आर प्रोटेक्टिंग आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम सो मेनी अदर डिजीजेस ऑल्सो, इंक्लूडिंग दिस करंट पैंडेमिक दैट वी आर लिविंग थ्रू. Another vitamin that can keep my eye cells healthy is vitamin E. Vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. These help in age-related, it prevents age-related diseases coming to my eye because it keeps my eye moist. Food products rich in vitamin E: almonds, sunflower seeds, fish. Fish is very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. A fish like salmon, tuna, trout, sardines, all these cold water fishes, these are very good for my eye. So have loads and loads of fish. People who are fond of it, winters is the ideal time to have it also, and it can really keep your eye young for many years. And people who don't eat fish, almonds and sunflower seeds, extremely good source of vitamin E. You can also add walnuts to it, so that will keep your eye young, healthy and strong. Then I would want to talk about two antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These two are found in the pigments of green leafy vegetables and helps me protect my macula, which gives me my detailed vision. So food products like palak, kale, turnip greens, broccoli, peas, all these give me very useful amounts of these two antioxidants and helps to protect my vision as well. So have loads of them. Interestingly, even eggs have some portion of these two antioxidants. So let the bird flu go by and you can get back to eating more of eggs. Finally, the mineral that I want to talk about now is zinc. Zinc protect my eyes from bright lights. वो जो जितना भी लाइट की वजह से डैमेज हो रहा है ना मेरे आई को, ये फोन्स एंड टीवीज एंड लैपटॉप्स एंड वो आईपैड्स एंड दैट कांस्टेंट लाइट गेटिंग इनटू माय आईज. इवन अब भी आप मुझे फ़ोन पे या लैपटॉप पे ही देख रहे होंगे. So zinc can help you prevent the damage coming to your eyes from this. And zinc is found in abundance in all kinds of beans and legumes, particularly lima beans, kidney beans. You have those black-eyed beans, rongi, lal lobia, rajma. All these things can give you good amount of zinc and can keep your eyes healthy. And ये सब light से हमें काफ़ी हद तक protection भी मिल सकता है. This brings me to the second segment of this program, which is 3 home remedies to protect my eyes and make them healthy. The first is amla. Amla is a wonder fruit. It's a wonder herb and it has immense health benefits. Because it's a very rich source of vitamin C, it's almost 20 times more than an orange. So amla in terms of course helps in my immunity, but in terms of eyes, आंवला मेरे retina को बहुत protect करता है. So it protects my retina and also it helps to protect my capillaries. उनको promote करता है, healthy रखता है the capillaries of my eyes. So amla is a short method to make your eyes healthy and stronger. The next best thing about amla is you can have it in any form. Amla is gooseberry, Indian berry also we call it. You can have it in any form. As long as you're getting fresh, you can have it as fresh. People who do not have diabetes or other sugar related problems, they can have it as murabba, as chutney, as juice. Having amla juice first thing in the morning on empty stomach can work wonders. So do include amla in your daily routine. बच्चों को भी आदत डाल दीजिए, रोज आंवला खाना ही खाना है. बाल अच्छे रहेंगे, डार्क रहेंगे, आईज ब्राइट रहेंगी, स्किन अच्छी रहेगी, और क्या चाहिए. सेकेंड होम रेमेडी इज एक्सरसाइज. Just as we need exercise to stay fit, every organ of the body needs exercise. So does eyes. Only thing is that eye exercises are very simple. So I am going to share 3 very simple eye exercises with a promise that each one of you will do this every single day. No matter what we do, what profession, where we are busy, but these 3 exercises we must do every single day. First exercise is rotating your eyes. So you can, wherever you're sitting, just start looking at the 4 corners of the room. So rotate your eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise, or you can keep a finger and rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise. So you can do this 10 times every single day. 10 times every single day. Second exercise. Keep the finger right in front of you. Bring it slowly close to your eye. Slowly close to your eye till the time the finger becomes double. And then slowly take it back. Slowly bring it to your eye till the time the vision becomes double. Hold it, take it back. Do this again 10 times a day. Third exercise. Third exercise is looking away. That means थोड़ा दूर देखिए, दूरदर्शी बनिए, थोड़ा दूर देखिए. Look far. What happens is in today's world, सब चीज़ें ना पास हैं. We are looking at the screen, we are looking at the phone, we are looking at the iPad, we are talking to someone. So we are constantly looking very near. We need to see far. So every half an hour, just every half an hour, take your eyes away from whatever you are doing and focus on an object which is certain couple of feet away from where you are sitting, and focus on it. See far away. Blink your eyes at least 10 times. Quickly blink your eyes. If nothing else, squeeze them tight. Squeeze them tight and release them slowly. This will bring a lot of blood to your eyes, and immediately you will feel the muscles of your eyes have relaxed. So the objective of these 3 exercises to ease your muscles, to make them stronger, to increase the flexibility of your eyelids. Simple exercises हैं, अपनी चेयर से उठना भी नहीं है, बैठे बैठे कर लीजिए. Please do include these 3 exercises in your daily routine and keep your eyes healthy. Rotating your eyes, your finger exercise, and looking far. How difficult can that be? Please do it. My third home remedy is Magic Eye Potion. This Magic Eye Potion not only will keep your eyes healthy, but it may also help in improving the vision of your eyes. The ingredients of the same are, please pay attention, the ingredients of the same are almonds, fennel seeds, black pepper and rock sugar, badam, saunf, kali mirch or mishri. So you can take about 10 almonds, a big tablespoon of fennel seeds, 5 to 6 corns of black pepper and about half a spoon of rock sugar. 10 बादाम ले लीजिए, एक बड़ी चम्मच सौंफ का ले लीजिए, 5 से 6 कॉर्न्स ब्लैक पेपर काली मिर्च का ले लीजिए एंड हाफ अ स्पून ऑफ मिश्री का ले लीजिए. You have to mix all these up, grind them up and store it in a airtight glass bottle. Half a spoon of this magic eye potion, आधा चम्मच, और या अगर छोटा है तो 1 spoon of this magic eye potion can work wonders for your eye health. Try it. This brings me to my last segment, how to be immortal. In my last episode, I had discussed cleansing of the soul, and this time I'm discussing my small little secret to becoming immortal. But before that, please tell me, wouldn't you want to be the reason for someone to see sunshine? Wouldn't you want to be the reason for someone to see these beautiful skies and waters, mountains, flowers, birds, greens? Wouldn't you want to be that reason? Wouldn't you want to spread that little more love even after you've gone? You've got me right. I am talking about eye donation, नेत्रदान. इमेजिन कीजिए आप अपनी आईज डोनेट कर रहे हैं आपके जाने के बाद, और 2 जने ये ब्यूटीफुल कमाल की दुनिया देख पा रहे हैं और उन्हें आप एक नई ज़िंदगी देके जा रहे हैं, एंड उनके माध्यम से, उनके ज़रिए से आप हमेशा के लिए अमर हो गए, और वो आपको और आपकी फैमिली को दुआएं भी दे रहे हैं और आपको अमर भी रख रहे हैं. आप फिर भी ये दुनिया देख रहे हैं. So you donate your eyes after you've gone, and 2 people get this beautiful world to see, and they would wish you well. They would wish well to your family, right? So I think there cannot be a bigger thing that we can do than donate our eyes. But then they also say, practice what you preach. Here goes. Here goes. मैंने तो कर दिया. I have donated my eyes and I am so proud of it. I am so happy about it that I have donated my eyes, and 2 people long after I have gone will be able to see this world, and through them I will still be seeing this world. मतलब हम तो अमर हो गए, मैं तो अमर हो गई भाई. अब बारी आई आपकी. क्या आप भी अमर होना चाहेंगे? क्या आप ये काम करना चाहेंगे? जीते जीते रक्तदान, जाते जाते अवयदान, और जाने के बाद नेत्रदान. इतनी सी बात है. Please do donate your eyes, and while we are here, eat all these good foods and exercise of your eyes to keep them healthy for you and 2 more people who may get to see this world because you decide to donate your eyes. Thank you so much, people. Please stay safe, stay healthy, protect your eyes.
I promise to donate my eyes and help someone see this beautiful world. Till then, I will for sure follow these tips and keep my eyes sparkling. Thank you, Dr. Mansi. Let's see good around us and let us see good in people too. Stay healthy and stay safe.